Okay, we come to the third and final question for percentage, and as always, let us read the question and understand the question. 60% of the members in the dance club and 70% of the members in the media club are girls. So, first of all, we have to understand that there are two clubs. Alright? There's a dance club here, DC, and the media club, MC. So you have DC, dance club, MC, media club. Alright? And they tell us that 60% of the dance club members are girls. So how many percent of the members in the dance club are boys? Now there's always 100% of members. The full membership in the club is 100%. So if there is 100% of members in the dance club and 60% are girls, how many percent are boys? Well, we take 100 minus 60. Yeah, 100 minus 60, and you get 40%. So that means 40% are boys. In the media club, there's 70%. 70%. So we take 100% total number of members in the club minus 70%, you get 30%. So this 30% of the media club are boys. I hope you're clear about that. No? 60% of the dance club members are girls. 40% of the dance club members are boys. 60 plus 40, 60 plus 40 is 100%. Same, likewise, 70% of the members in the media club are girls. Therefore, 30% must be boys. So 30% boys, 70% girls. You have to understand this before we move on. If you do not understand, you have to stop this video and think through. Alright? Now, the next sentence is so important. They tell us that the number, let's read it first. Both the dance club and media club have the same number of boys. The number of boys in both clubs are the same. Alright, so in this case, this 40% of boys, this 30% of boys, they represent the same number. Although they are different in percentage, they are the same. The next clue, we are told that there are fewer girls, 30 fewer girls in the dance club than the media club. And the question asks you, how many members are there in the dance club? You will solve this in a moment. Alright, let's explain now. There are two clubs, right? One is dance club, and in the dance club, as we have read earlier, 60% of the club members are girls. 60% are girls, right? 100 minus 60% will give you 40% are boys. That's a dance club. And then we are told about the media club. Media club, alright? Now, 70% are girls and 30% are boys. Now, the next step is a little bit tricky. We need to draw a model. Well, here we go. We are told that the number of boys in both clubs, the number of boys in both clubs is the same. So this 40% is equal to this 30%. So let me draw this rectangle to represent the number of boys in, let's say, the media club, and in the dance club it is the same. It is the same. So far, because there's the same number of boys in each club. So let us look. In the media club, this is 30%. What is 100%? Well, let's draw 100%. Let's draw 100%. Let's see what it is. I draw another 30%. 30 plus 30 gives you 60%. We want 100%. So I draw another 30%. 30 plus 30 plus 30 gives you 90%. We are still not yet at 100. And we add 1/3 of this. Roughly 1/3 is like that. Alright? Roughly. Okay. Over here, in a dance club, 40% are boys. So if I draw another 40%, it makes 40 plus 40, 80%. 80%. So you have 80%. We want to find what's the balance. 100 minus 80 is 20%. Alright? I need another 20%. So if this is 40, half of it will be 20. So this is half, right? It's 20% here. Now, to help you differentiate between the percentages, I'm going to use one in red and the other in green. Let's use this in green. Okay, let's see. Green is 40%, 40%, and 20%. Okay, let's observe. Let's observe the two models, right? Do you realize that by drawing this model, we know that there's more members in the media club than the dance club? Can you see it's longer? So we know there's more members in the media club than the dance club. In fact, they tell us that the number of boys are the same, but there are fewer girls in the dance club than the media club. Now, let us draw this line here. Boys. So over here, these are boys, and the rest here would be girls. Can you see that? And this here would represent 30, because we are told in the question that there are 30 lesser number of girls in a dance club than the media club. So this represents 30%. Now, I'm going to rub this off. I need to convert this 30% following one of the two percentages. I know that it's going to be easier for me to use the top one, because half of 30 is 15. This is 15%, this is 15%. Can you see 15% plus 10%? This 30 is equals to 25% of the membership in media club. Remember, this is orange in color. I should have written this in orange. Okay. So can you see this is 15%? This part here, 15 plus 10 gives me 25%. So 25% of media club, not of dance club. Do not get confused, because this now is in orange. I didn't add any green here. There's no green color here. It is not dance club percentage. It is media club. So 15 plus 10 is 25%. 25%, this is equal to 30 members. Now, how do I get to 100%? I can times this by 4, you know. 25 times 4, I get 100%. So 30 times 4, I get 120. 120 members. So there's a total of 120 members in the media club. And the question wants you to find out how many members are there in the dance club. So it's easy. 120 minus 30 gives you 90 members in the dance club. Now it might be confusing for you. You need to listen to this video a few times before you get it. Try it out. Stop the video as and when you do not understand. If you still do not understand it, drop me a mail, drop me an email, or write a comment on below this this video, so that I will make an additional video to further explain how to solve this. Thank you.